So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the background from our layer. So select the layer, go to select, and then remove BG. And now we need to do it another time, select, remove BG. And now we need to watch a short ad, just press OK. So here it is, and now right click on the raster mask and then click apply. And now I'm going to create a new layer, click on this icon, place it under the person layer. I'm going to change the background color here, left click, I'm going to change it to this gray here, press OK. Select the gradient tool, so the shape is linear, and now I'm going to trace my gradient on the layer here under the person. Select the person layer, select the move tool, check the transform controls, and now I'm going to increase the size. So I'm going to leave it here like this. And now click on this icon here to confirm. And now I'm going to turn this layer into black and white. Left click here, select black and white. Make sure to click on this icon here for the clipping mask. So to clip our adjustment layer to the person. So here it is. And now I'm going to add another adjustment layer. Left click here, select the brightness contrast. And now I'm just going to increase a little bit the contrast. So here like this. Same thing, make sure to click on this icon here to clip the adjustment layer to the person. And now I'm going to bring another layer. So this is the image I'm going to use. I'm going to scale it up to cover the whole layer like this. And now right click on the layer and then select clipping mask to clip the layer to the person. And then I'm just going to change the layer mode here to screen. And now I'm going to add the raster mask to the nature hair layer. Click on this icon. Change the background color, the foreground color, sorry, to black. Press OK. Select the brush tool. So here are settings I'm using for the brush: size 700, 40, hardness 18, and flow 52. And now I'm going to paint on the raster mask here to reveal this layer here, to mask the layer on top here, the nature layer. So I just want to reveal a little bit the face here. So if you want, for example, to reveal some of the nature layer, just change the color, foreground color to white, and then just paint. So like this. So here it is on the raster mask as always. So for example, if you select the move tool, select the layer, you can still, for example, move the layer inside. So here, for example, I want to have the sun here inside the person. And now I'm going to add another layer, some bird flags here. So this is the layer I'm going to use. Right click on it, rasterize. So now I'm going to select the rectangle select tool. So I'm going to select this part here, the birds. Control X to cut, and then Control V to paste. So now I have the birds on two layers. So for example, I select this one here, select the move tool. I'm going to place it here like this. And for this one, I'm going to increase size a little bit, and then I'm going to place it here like this. Just click here to confirm. And now if you want to add some colors, so I'm just going to left click here on the adjustment layer. So I'm going to select photo filter. So I'm going to change this one here into a blue tone. Press OK. And now I'm going to reduce a little bit the density. Or you can still, for example, reduce the opacity too.